Which wet tile saw actually gives you clean, chip-free cuts without breaking the bank? Simple question, but the answer isn't so straightforward. There are budget blades, pro-grade saws, and everything in between. So today, we're cutting through the noise to find the real winners. Product number 1, One Go Tool 4.5-inch diamond blade set for just $19.99. Now, this isn't a full saw. It's a pack of 3 ultra-thin diamond blades designed to fit your angle grinder. What caught my eye was the 0.05-inch kerf width and fine-grained diamond grit, which promise clean cuts on porcelain, ceramic, and even marble. If you're doing small tile jobs or repairs and already own an angle grinder, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The ultra-thin design means less material waste and smoother edges, especially on delicate tiles like glass or polished porcelain. The dual-sided grinding edges also let you polish or bevel after cutting, something most budget blades don't offer. And at under $20 for 3 blades, it's a steal for DIYers tackling bathroom backsplashes or mosaic projects. Over 1,000 sold in the past month shows people are using these for real work, not just shelf decorations. Now, some people might complain that this isn't a standalone saw. You need an angle grinder to use it. And honestly, that's a fair point. If you don't already own one, you're looking at another $50 to $80 investment. Plus, without a water cooling system, you'll have to manually wet the blade or risk overheating and cracking your tile. This is perfect for you if you're a weekend warrior with an angle grinder and only need occasional cuts. Skip this one if you're doing large flooring jobs or want a dedicated mess-free setup. Still, for the price and precision, it's hard to beat for small-scale work. Product number 2, Ryobi 12-amp 4-inch corded wet tile saw at $89.49. This is a compact, entry-level wet saw from a trusted brand, and it's built for basic tile cutting. What stands out is the 12-amp motor and compatibility with ceramic and porcelain, common materials in most home reno projects. If you want a dedicated wet saw without spending over $100, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The built-in water reservoir keeps the blade cool and reduces dust, which is crucial when cutting hard tiles that can crack under heat. The 4-inch blade size limits you to smaller tiles, but for bathroom walls or kitchen accents, it's more than enough. Ryobi's reputation for durability helps too. This isn't a toy, even if it's affordable. With 200 plus sold recently, it's clearly filling a gap for budget-conscious DIYers. Now, some people might be frustrated by the lack of detailed specs, like cutting depth or bevel capability, which aren't clearly listed, and honestly, that's a red flag. Without knowing the max cut depth, you could run into trouble with thicker tiles. Also, the smaller table size means less support for larger pieces, increasing the chance of chipping. This is perfect for you if you're cutting small tiles for a backsplash or repair job and want a simple plug-and-play saw. Skip this one if you're working with large format tiles or need angled cuts. For under $90, it's a solid starter tool. Just don't expect pro-level performance.
Product number 3, Daydor 15-piece diamond hole saw kit. The Daydor 15-piece diamond hole saw kit at $152.99. This isn't a traditional saw, it's a complete drilling solution for making clean holes in tile, granite, and marble. What grabbed me was the vacuum-brazed diamond coating and 15-piece versatility, including specialty bits for shaping and beveling. If you're installing faucets, shower heads, or electrical outlets in stone surfaces, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The vacuum brazing process fuses diamond particles directly to the steel, meaning longer life and faster cuts compared to glued-on coatings. The hollow body design clears debris fast, so you're less likely to burn out the bit or crack your $200 tile. Plus, the included adapters fit most drills and rotary hammers, no hunting for extras. Whether you're drilling wet or dry, this kit handles porcelain, granite, and marble like a champ. Now, some people complained about the price. Over $150 feels steep for a hole saw set, and I get it. But when you consider that one quality diamond bit can cost $30 to $50, this kit actually saves money long term. The main downside, it's overkill if you only need to drill 1 or 2 holes. This is perfect for you if you're a contractor or serious DIYer doing multiple tile installations. Skip this one if you're just fixing a single leaky saw set. For the durability and range of bits, it's one of the best value kits in its class. Product number 4, Makita XCC01Z 18-volt cordless wet-dry saw. The Makita XCC01Z, an 18-volt cordless wet-dry masonry saw at $284.
This is a premium tool for pros and serious DIYers who need mobility without sacrificing power. What stands out is the brushless motor, AWS capability, and integrated water system. If you're cutting tile on job sites without easy power access, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The brushless motor runs cooler and lasts longer, delivering 8,800 RPM for fast, clean cuts. The automatic water delivery keeps the blade cool and meets OSHA standards for dust control, huge if you're working indoors. Plus, the adjustable depth up to 1 1/16 inches and bevel cuts up to 45 degrees give you pro-level flexibility. Makita's LXT battery platform means you can share batteries with other tools, saving money and space. Now, some people might balk at the price, nearly $300 without a battery. And yeah, that's a big upfront cost. Also, at 5 inches, the blade size limits you to smaller tiles unless you make multiple passes. This is perfect for you if you're a contractor or renovator who needs a portable, high-performance saw. Skip this one if you're doing occasional home projects and don't need cordless convenience. For power, precision, and build quality, it's one of the best cordless options out there.
Product number 5. Skill 7-inch wet tile saw 3540-02. The Skill 7-inch wet tile saw UB109. This is a classic, reliable wet saw with a stainless steel table and bevel capability. What I like is the 12 by 12-inch tile support and miter gauge for accurate angled cuts. If you want a full-sized wet saw under $120, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The corrosion-resistant table won't rust over time, even with constant water exposure. The adjustable rip fence and miter gauge let you make straight and 45-degree bevel cuts, essential for professional-looking edges. With a 7.75-inch crosscut capacity, it handles most standard floor and wall tiles with ease. Skill's reputation for user-friendly tools makes this a great pick for first-time buyers. Now, some people reported the water pump can be weak, requiring frequent refills during long cuts. And honestly, that's annoying when you're in the middle of a big project. Also, the blade isn't included, so you'll need to buy one separately. This is perfect for you if you're doing a full bathroom or kitchen tile job and want a durable, feature-rich saw. Skip this one if you only need occasional cuts or are on a super tight budget. For under $110, it's one of the best all-around wet saws for homeowners.
So, which wet tile saw is best? The One Go tool blades win for budget DIYers with an angle grinder. Ryobi saw is great for small jobs under $90. Daydor's kit is unmatched for drilling clean holes. Makita's cordless saw is the pro's choice for portability. And Skill's 7-inch saw offers the best balance of features and price for most homeowners. Pick the one that fits your project and cut with confidence.